In the starting stage of editing, relying on the mouse for every action can be time consuming. Also, while editing, balance between speed and quality output are very important, which is the biggest task for the editors. Today, we are going to learn 5 shortcuts to make our workflow easy and quick.
First one, frame navigation. After placing our video into the timeline, we use a mouse to move each frame to see where to cut. Instead of using mouse to move frame by frame, make use of right arrow to move forward and the left arrow to move backward. Yes. Also, hold shift plus right arrow to move 5 frame forward and shift plus left arrow to move 5 frame backward. This allows for accurate frame by frame viewing. Second one, quick cutting. Once you identify the cutting points, press Ctrl plus K to cut the clip. Use this shortcut instead of razor tool. Third one, clip joining. To connect the 2 clips, press the delete button after cutting. This makes it easier to merge clips. Fourth one, efficient trimming. Utilize the Q and W. To cut an entire front portion, use Q. Also, to cut an entire back portion, use W. Respectively, this shortcut is my personal favorite for saving time in various situations. Fifth, timeline navigation. If you have a more number of clips in your timeline, you can see in the screen, just use the down arrow to move forward and up arrow to move backward. This helps you quickly see the front and back portion of each clip on the screen. After completing your edit, press Ctrl plus M to export your final output.
I know, learning a shortcut might be hard at first, but it saves a lot of time and it's totally worth it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.